I unraveled it enough where I can get my finger through the hair that was wrapped around. And then I'm going to cut that so that I can unwrap it. Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're returning. So in this video, I'm taking out my soft locks. Put a picture here. Yeah, I filmed it because I get this hairstyle all the time. So now I've learned how to not cut my hair because I have cut my hair in the past, and I've seen plenty of videos of people cutting their hair or just refusing to get the style anymore because they don't know how to take it out. But through lessons and, you know, trial and error, I have finally figured out how to take it out without cutting your hair, without like causing any damage or anything. And I filmed it for you guys so that you can see how I do it. So keep on watching. So I didn't think it was necessary to show like the whole head because, you know, it's the same thing. You're repeating the same process. But I am going to show you the difference between this one and then one of the ones in the front. Because remember, I refreshed the first 2 rows. So that's going to be a little different. It's going to be a little bit like more difficult to take out than this one. This one shouldn't be as difficult because this one I wrapped around, you know, at the end. So this is what I do. You know, like I'm not a professional or anything. So if this is not what you want to do or this doesn't work for you, then by all means, but this is what works for me. And I don't cut my hair anymore because I've learned the hard way. So what I do is I unravel it. I try to unravel it like where I initiated where I put the lock to start with my hair, to like attach to my hair. I'm not gonna unravel all of this, right? Like I'm gonna unravel the hair that I wrapped around it to secure the lock. Well, I'm gonna loosen it up. And I loosen it up until I can put my finger through, and then I just cut it. And then once I cut it, then I can start the unravel process. This is looking like it's more difficult than it actually is, but it's really not. Then I unravel. And I really just unravel until I get to like the opening of where the lock is secured at. So you see, it's a little easier with this one because this hair is brown and my hair is black. But you see, so this is the lock that was secured on, and then this is my hair here. So I just cut this like so. And then it's really just about getting the hair that was twisted onto my hair off. And once you loosen it up enough, you can literally just pull the whole thing off. Because I didn't crochet it. Sorry, I'm like losing my train of thought there. I didn't crochet it on. I actually just like looped my hair around the lock. I looped my hair around the lock and I didn't crochet it. So it's easier for me to just slide this part off, you know, once it gets loosened up. Oh, and yes, I have a filter on. I was supposed to do this yesterday when I had a little bit of makeup on, but I got tired yesterday and I decided to take my hair out today on a day where I'm not doing absolutely anything. And I really just didn't feel like putting on any makeup to take my hair out. Oh, it's just a little too, like tangled for me. So this is the lock. And now this is just the hair that I wrapped around. And you can just like pull that off. Now this hairstyle has been in for like 7-8 weeks. So it is a little, you know, there's a lot of build up and stuff, you know. But that's it. I'm not sure how difficult that looked, but I hope I explained it easy to make it seem easy. Now I'm gonna show you both of these actually, just because I feel like I didn't get to explain it. much in that first one, but these are going to be a little different because I did refresh them. But it's the same like concept. So I'm going to unravel it, and this will be easier because, well, not easier, but I get to show you with black hair. So I unraveled it enough where I can get my finger through the hair that was wrapped around, and then I'm going to cut that so that I can unwrap it. And because my hair is braided underneath, you know you're not cutting your own hair. Yeah, I see the filter messing up. I wanted to film it because I feel like I don't have too much of a hard time taking them out, and I know people who have like cut their hair or like hate getting the style just because the takeout is such a difficult thing to do, but it's actually not too bad. Like, I think it takes just as long for me to take this out as it would if I had like braids, right? Like when you get a protective style and you have a lot of things in your hair, like it's gonna take a long time for you to take it out. Like, it just is what it is. So I'm just unraveling it for this one because I refreshed it. So you see how I unraveled it and there's still more to unravel? It's because it was refreshed. That's why I had to cut this one so much. So I like to get to, okay, so now you see my braid, right? And then you see the lock that's looped onto my braid. So this is the lock and this is my hair. And this is the lock. So I make sure to separate it from my hair, hold my hair, this is my hair, and this is the hair from the lock, just to double check and make sure that I am not cutting my hair. And now that's off. And then I should just be able to like pull this off. And when I do this, I always make sure that my hair underneath is like moisturized and oiled before I put this style in. That way, like this probably wouldn't, if my hair was like super dry right now, it would probably cause some breakage. But because my hair is still very moisturized, like you could even see the oil on my hands, it's not causing a lot of breakage for me, like just pulling it. So one left. I'm not gonna lie, it took me like 5 hours to take out today, but I was like just laying in bed and stuff while I was doing it. So I'm sure if I wanted to do it faster, I could have. So I found the opening. I think I'm just gonna like speed this one up because it's the same process. I think I refreshed this one like 3 times. Let's just try to find the braid. Got it, found the braid. Ooh, I need to wash my hair like crazy. Look at all that buildup. That's how you know I had this in for a long time. Whew, all finished. Okay, so I am going to like fix myself up. I will wash my hair, you know, fix myself up. I just don't want to end this video looking like this. So I will be back. But yeah, the whole process took like 4 or 5 hours using that technique that I just did. And remember, I didn't crochet them on. If I had crocheted them on, it probably would have took a little longer, but I didn't crochet them on. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so like I said, I was gonna be back when I'm all done up, but thank you so much for watching if you made it all the way to the end, and let me know what other videos you want to see. Let me know if it was helpful. If you need more help, feel free to leave a comment. Excuse me. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll answer them. Yeah, so thanks for watching.